Hi friends, this is Luca, your Ansible pilot, and I'm here with one guest from the Ansible Community Day. Welcome, Daniel.
Hi.
Can you introduce yourself and to our friends?
I might. So for today, I'm more in my community role. So normally, most people know me as a DevOps engineer, but I myself see me as an IT craftsman, and therefore I'm also a content creator. So I also have a blog.
Ooh, excited!
It's similar content to yours, but more focused about not only on Ansible, but also on Podman, Kubernetes, and whatnot. So all the ecosystem.
Oh, we like open source. I will put the link on the description below.
Yeah, and when it comes to Ansible, I'm now around about a decade involved in Ansible, also as an upstream contributor. My first contribution was for the HA proxy module, and now I'm here with you, so happy to meet you.
Wow, I was so excited meeting you, because you were sharing with me that you are one of the early adopters of Ansible. What was the first version you used?
So the interesting part was why I used Ansible in the first place, because when I joined an e-commerce company, 1 month later my supervisor told me that he will leave the company, and basically I became the only administrator for a 500 million euro web shop, and I needed to maintain the service some way. So there was Puppet and Chef. So Puppet was vast, Chef was very complicated and very bad to Google. So have you ever tried to Google recipe? So you will get all kinds of stuff, but not code.
I see.
So, and finally I came to Salt and Ansible was just super convenient to use. And then I started, around about 11, 12 years ago. I don't know. It was with Ansible 1.3. So, and the first thing I did was automating web servers.
Wow, sounds a lot of challenge. Sounds very fun. How are you enjoying today?
Yes, absolutely. So the talks were amazing. There are a lot of nice people like you, for example, that I met. And, actually, we are currently missing one talk.
Yes, this is why we are going down. But first of all, share what you see Ansible for the future.
What I see Ansible in the future is that it's becoming even more declarative. Hopefully the whole testing ground will be improved. So for example, testing kernel parameters like syscalls or sysctl or stuff like this is currently basically impossible if you want to do the real thing. And I hope that there will be a solution in the future. And what I'm also very, very much hoping for, especially for the IIoT and cloud environment, is some kind of pull agent. So ansible-pull is there, but let's be honest, it's not very well maintained.
Well, I see this as a very interesting challenge, and I think we are in the right forum to share this type of idea. So let's see, the future looks bright, and let's automate more. Is something else you want to share with our friends?
For sure. So there are a lot of events in the future. So for example, in October and November, there will be a lot of stuff happening. In November, for example, there's in Germany the Tux-Tage, where you can also see me. It's also a YouTube event. Maybe we can talk about the same again.
That will be cool.
And in December, there will be a huge Captures of Flag event, and I hope that you can participate with us. There will be Ansible content for sure.
This sounds very, very exciting. Happy to have you here, and let's keep in touch.
For sure.
Thank you. Let's automate more. Bye.
Cheers.
Cheers.